You can't improve what you don't measure. If you want to progress as a day trader, it's critical you track and analyze all of your trades. What's up, traders? In this video, I'm going to show you how to access our free Excel and Google Sheets trading journal, as well as do a quick overview of how to use them so you can start tracking your trades today. Let's get into it. If you don't already have our journal, go to jumpstarttrading.com/insider and input your email. There's also a link in the description. In a few minutes, you will receive an email titled Welcome to JT Insider Insider Tools link. Open that email and click on the link, which will take you to the Insider's download page. Open the Google Drive folder and select the Excel or Google Sheets version. Personally, I prefer Google Sheets as I like having everything in the cloud and accessible from anywhere. In order to use the Google Sheets version, you have to duplicate the file in order to edit it. If you don't have a Google account, sign up. It's free. When you open the journal, the first tab in the spreadsheet is going to be the instructions on how to use a journal. The important thing to note here is the multiplier. More on that in a second. The second tab, titled Journal, is where you're going to input all of your trades. You will start by inputting the symbol of the security that you're trading. The next column, multiplier, is specific to the instrument that you're trading. Back on the instructions tab, you will find the value you need to use depending on the security type that you're trading. Next, you will enter whether you went long or short, the entry date, followed by the strategy deployed on the trade. If you would like to change the strategy names to something specific, go to column R and in the upper right hand corner, click on the arrow to unhide the cells. When you click on the arrow, you will get a warning, just hit OK. Everything that you see here is for formulas and should not be touched if you are not familiar with spreadsheets. To change the names for the strategies, simply type in a new name in column S and hit enter. Next, enter your entry time, quantity, entry price, exit time, and exit date. If you want to use a spreadsheet to calculate maximum favorable excursion and maximum adverse excursion, you need to track the high price and the low price that the security reached while you were in the trade in columns M and N. Finally, input your commission. Next, the Statistics tab will automatically track all of your stats and can be sorted by date. For example, if I just wanted to track or take a look at my May performance, I'd simply change the start and end date and hit enter. There are countless paid journals available on the market. However, learning to use spreadsheets has been extremely beneficial to my day trading over the past 20 years. I like the fact that I control all the data and I can manipulate it however I want. If you like this journal, help me out and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. In doing so, I promise to produce more videos that I'm confident will help you on your path to becoming a successful day trader. I hope you enjoy the trading journal. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.